Welcome back to the channel. This is GMEC. Thought I'd bring you in on this. Needed a new coffee grinder. So here's the one I chose. Cuisinart Premier Coffee Series Collection. Confection, whatever that Spanish word is. Anyway, Model DBM-8P1. So, let's find out what we got in here. Little unboxing video. Got instructions. And then obviously the coffee grinder. Seems to be packaged very nicely. Get all this packaging out of the way. There's our scoopers, the side of it. Let's remove all this plastic. Needs to be packaged very well. So you got something removed before using. Alright, now, one thing I know, I've owned a couple coffee grinders. My first Cuisinart. So I am going to, we got this all down, or you can see this is a burr grinder. Put a little light on that. This is a burr grinder. You can see the burr there. Very important for a coffee grinder. There's the other burr. Simple and basic design. There's our container that holds the coffee. I'm going to take a pause in the video here right now. I'm going to wash this all up with soap and water. Unfortunately, you can't wash that part, but that's okay. So, be right back. All right. With them all pretty well cleaned up. Back together, we got our bin. All washed up, ready to go. Gonna have to move over to the counter so we can test this out. Alright, we got it all plugged in here, ready to go. I'm gonna make a full 18 cups, move the dial over. Take the lid off. We're gonna try a medium grind here, because we're gonna put it in a regular coffee maker. So let's add. That bag was not quite full. All right. Let's see how we do here and check for sound. That thing's actually pretty quiet compared to my other ones. Alright, let's see what we got here. Looks pretty good. Could probably even go a little thicker. Let's put some in the coffee pot. Alright, this is my Mr. Coffee 12-cup coffee maker. Had this thing a long time. For both units, I will put more information in the description below, and I'll talk about some other ways to make coffee in 1 minute. So, open our lid up here. I actually have another container that I keep coffee in. This is my scoop actually to another style coffee maker. So let's do this here. That looks pretty darn good. Got like 2 scoops. heaping scoops. We're going to make 8 cups. Already got the water in there. Set that there. It looks pretty good and consistent. I like it. Now we'll install that back into the coffee grinder. Getting this all set up. I drink quite a bit of coffee. One of my favorite beverages. This thing I use quite a bit, mainly for when I work. I will make my coffee and then store it in a thermos. That's the best way I do it. It's already made, ready to go. Mix whatever in what I want with it, and it's ready to go for my tasting. So we'll set this to the side. I have another video, and I'll put a link in the description to that video, that I also use the AeroPress. Here's my AeroPress, used very well. Still going, still working good after quite a few years. I'm not even sure how long I have it. I had just ordered filters for it, but this thing is like a very awesome single cup of coffee. I take that camping and love it. Another way that I make coffee, not necessarily particularly this one, because this one here is kind of wore, but this is a percolator coffee pot. Put this on a campfire. You can do it on a gas stove. This one I believe is ceramic. I remember my dad using this one as I was a kid, and he used to take this when we went camping when I was a kid, and it worked very well. I personally have not used it because of this knob, and when you try to make the coffee, it'll actually leak up through as it percolates through. So I have not used it, because if you look real close, the knobs on there are wore, and maybe somebody out there have some information that I can maybe replace that, because I mean, I have no idea how old that is, but again, I can remember that, oh boy, probably 30 years ago, being used for cooking coffee on a campfire or on a propane stove. But so here's another style coffee grinder. This is, I'll put a link in the description on this one. I don't know the name off of it offhand, but I'll have the link in the description. I have to clean it. This is actually this is a burr grinder as well, but it actually has ceramic teeth in it. And this grinds up the coffee very well. When I was waiting for my other coffee grinder and to make this video, I was actually using this thing. I actually bought 2 of them because it was a pretty good deal. And I'm like, wow, if the power's out or something like that, I have this. But let me tell you, after a while, it takes a while to crank your coffee and get quite a bit out. But I mean, it is doable. So I was cheating, and I stuck a drill on it, and it actually worked really well to grind the coffee up. You know, one full thing here would do just about enough to make 8 cups for me, and the taste was really good. So anyway, this is few ways that I get it in the shot here without dropping everything. Few ways here that how I make my coffee, and I grind it. So if you like the video, you know, please hit that thumbs up button. I'd greatly appreciate it. It would help the channel out right with the algorithm and everything. And thanks for watching. This is In order to keep on wrenching, sometimes you need a good cup of coffee. Check that out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, in order to keep on wrenching, sometimes you need a good cup of coffee. We'll see you in the next video.